What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel with a brand new episode on MP Power. In tonight's video, it's going to be this BMW 2020 M340i. It is a special one, so just stay tuned, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, because seriously, we're going to show you guys some really cool stuff about special cars, fun cars, and especially donuts and burnouts like most of every cars I'll be driving. So again, if you're new, smash the like button and the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and dive in this beautiful car and show you guys at night how this car is gonna look, the outside, the inside, and we're gonna walk around with lights on and off and show you guys and give you guys an idea how the car is gonna look at night, because this car, I'm telling you guys, it is an absolute fun, amazing machine. So just enjoy the video and let's dive in right now. This is the brand new BMW M340i, and it is an incredible machine. I really mean this. But I'm gonna take you guys around right now with the lights off, without touching anybody. Like, imagine you just park your car, your BMW you just purchased. Imagine you park it in the parking lot. I'm just gonna walk you guys around right now, and we're gonna hit the open to unlock the car, so you guys can see what represents this car, what welcomes you. So this is the exterior of this car, just like this. I have the keys right now with me, so I'm going to unlock the car right now. I love the key, it's really elegant. I don't know if the camera is not capturing very well, but very elegant key. Let's go ahead and unlock the car and show you guys how your car is going to welcome you with this beautiful logos right here in the floor as well. So this is the car, how it looks at night when you unlock your car. I wish the headlights, I'm not sure if this one or all of these cars, they don't turn on the headlights, but it is what it is. So actually, when you open this BMW, all that happens, just they pop out those lights in the ground, just welcoming you and showing you guys you just open your brand new BMW M340i. So let's go ahead and dive in and turn on this car and show you guys the interior and exterior as well, with the doors open and all the lights and colors this car has to offer. So let's go ahead and turn this car on. All right, anyway, just you guys can have a peek a little bit like in the interior. This car has 11 options to change your color in your preference. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit right now with the lights on. I'm gonna close the door and we're gonna come back to this in one moment. I just want to show you guys a little bit the exteriors when the car is on. And again, I think it's an optional in the key fob to turn you on your car, but unfortunately in this particular model it is not available. I believe when it's a premium package that offers that, but in this one that doesn't offer the option to turn your car on with your key. But anyway, this is how your car is going to look at night, just on in a parking lot or wherever you're parked. So in my opinion, it is an absolutely beautiful machine. Anyway, I'm gonna open the doors right now and show you guys, and I absolutely love this blue color. It's really a beautiful color. Let me open all the doors and I'm gonna show you guys and give you guys an idea how the car is gonna look. And right now I'm gonna take you guys in a tour with all the doors open in this brand new BMW. We're inside the M340i BMW 2020. We're gonna go ahead and change a little bit of the color because this car has 11 options of different color changings in this car. They're not that many, but it is where it is, so they're 11. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the different colors this car has to offer. This is the interior lighting. Let's click on that color. Let's try all of them. So we have bronze. Let's give you guys an idea what it's like with a bronze. I think it is nice, not my favorite, but it is what it is. We got bronze and white. Let's check it out. It's okay. Let's move to the next one. We got orange. I think orange is nice as well. It really matches with the rest of the car too. I think orange is a really nice, cool color as well. But let's move to the orange one. Orange and white. I don't know about this one, to be honest. We got white, which is this one. Not big fan of it. We got blue. I really like blue, to be honest. The color blue, it fits as well with the exterior color as well. So I think it's a really nice color depending on your mood. We have blue and white, and I don't know about this one, to be honest, but we have green. Let's check this out. Also this one, it's not bad. This one looks good too. Let's move to the next one. Green and white. I don't know, this when they mix with the white, for some reason doesn't fit in this car. I like this one. Lilac. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this one I really like it too. It's pretty cool. Let's move to the next one. Lilac and white. I don't know, like this white, it's not doing it for me. But anyway, for me I'll do orange and blue. What do you guys think? Orange. I think orange is really nice as well. It fits with all the lighting in the interior. So this one, it's nice. And also the blue color, I think it is a really nice one in this car. So you guys let me know which one would you pick, but those two are my favorite. Orange and blue for this particular car, because again, you want to match it a little bit with your car, a little bit depending on your mood, but it is where it is. All these are the buttons. You get lights on the door panels, on the door, on the storage right there as well. And also let me show you guys a little bit in the back, and also where is your floor mat as well too. So these are the different colors in your car. I think they're not that many as a Mercedes E-Class, but I have to say 11 different colors. I think there are plenty of them to choose. So you guys let me know which one is your favorite, or which one would you pick if you had a car like this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found anything informative. I hope you, again, I hope it was fun as much as it was fun for me. And don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on my next. Thank you so much for checking out my channel and supporting. That means really the world to me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you again. Ciao everybody.